Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes, power outlet, power steering, passenger airbag on-off switch, passenger vanity mirror. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.